the RH bill merely wants to empower a woman from the poorest economic class to march to the nearest facility operated by the Department of Health or the local government unit to demand information on a family planning product or supply of her choice. All the bill says is, kung hindi mo intindi kung paano mo ilimita ang iyong mga anak dahil sa mahirap lang kayo at nagkakasakit na kayong lahat, wala man lang kayong makain, dadagdagan mo pa, ay di pumunta ka lang sa pinakamalapit na ospital publiko at magtanong ka doon. Yun lang sabi ng ating panukalang batas. Kailangan, bigyan mo ng impormasyon yung taong nanghihingi. Sasagot ka lang naman sa tanong niya eh. Ano naman ang masama doon? The bill at the simplest level wants to give an indigent married woman the freedom of informed choice concerning her reproductive rights. Ganito misis ito. We'll start from A to Z. Ganitong pwede mong gawin. Ngayon, bahala ka kung anong piliin mo. Yun lang naman yun. Wala namang pilitan eh. We will include all possible family planning methods and procedures. Kaya siya ngayon ang mamimili. What is so bad about this? This is information.